Look no further than the 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Grand Cherokee keeps you safe, connected, and entertained while you explore your world in confidence and refined luxury. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, fog lamps, heated mirrors, backup camera, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, Bluetooth connection, alarm, steering wheel audio controls. You don't have to sacrifice comfort to get all-terrain capability. Drive the Grand Cherokee.